Sunswap is on fire, guys. It just broke 1.2 billion in total value locked this week. What does this mean for Sunswap and Sun token holders? And what else is making people so bullish on this coin recently? Welcome back to Crypto Trends, where we cover the latest crypto news to make you more money. If you want to stay up to date on the latest crypto news, subscribe to the channel where we are constantly making new videos. Okay, so Sun token is really crushing it lately. The team has been giving tons of updates, and the platform that uses Sunswap, has been doing extremely well. And look here, it just broke 1.2 billion in TVL. And if you don't know what this means, it means there's $1.2 billion locked in the Sunswap platform. That is a ton of money for a DeFi protocol, especially for one not on ERC20 or Binance Smart Chain networks. You have to remember, Sunswap is on the TRON network, so just getting people to move on to that chain is tough as is. But the Sun token team has been doing a great job recently, as over $1 billion is now locked in. Okay, so let's look at the tweet that the team put out recently. Pleased to reveal the latest update on the official Sun.io website, now displaying Sun TVL at the homepage. Stay updated at sun.io. Okay, and if we click here and go to the website, you'll see 1.2 billion in TVL listed. Okay, so why is that such a bullish sign for Sun coin? Well, if Sun token has 1.2 billion in TVL, that means a lot of people trust the Sunswap platform, have adopted it, and are staking their crypto on it. This means even more good news for the TRON ecosystem, as once people see over $1 billion locked in with DeFi, they trust it even more and put more in. It's basically a cycle. The more you trust it, the more you stake, the more people trust it. So speaking of trust, let's look at this tweet. Just look at how many exchanges have already listed Sun token. So Sun listing update. Sun is supported on more than 30 exchanges now. Wow. Trade Sun on following exchanges. Guess which one is next? Leave your comment below. I don't know which one will be next. They pretty much have all the ones here. I mean, they have Binance, MXC, Bitfinex, Whitebit, KuCoin, Gate. I mean, they have lots of exchanges here. And the Sun token team has clearly been doing a lot of work recently to get exchanges to buy in on it. And that makes people trust the token more, obviously, as is listed on so many now. So finally, let's look at the plan the team has just put out for the Sun Miner and CRV airdrop. As the essential part of Sun 5-year, $5 billion Sun Miner and airdrop plan, Sun governance mining is now live. Over 2.9 billion Sun rewards will be distributed to all miners. So that's going to be a lot of money. For more info, and they post the link here. So this is going to attract a lot of people to the Sunswap ecosystem. Okay, and then Sun governance mining includes 3-pool LP, Sun TRX liquidity pool. Also, welcome to join the following ways to get more benefits: Sun stake, Stun stake, and lock. Take part in zero loss stablecoin mining on Sun.io. Okay, I like that. I'm a big fan of zero loss. Okay, so let's actually look at the Zendesk article they put out here, though. Okay, so Sun is now TRON's first one-stop platform to incorporate stablecoin, swap, token mining, and self-governance, considering these two mining phases. The mining project is approaching the end of phase 1 to boost the self-governance of TRON DeFi community. Sun is going to launch governance mining on July 14th, which is today. Okay, and then they give the exact specifics here. But the important thing to note is that their TRON team is pushing Sun so much because it is their platform basically for the TRON ecosystem. So if you know Binance Smart Chain, you think of PancakeSwap as the top one. If you know ERC20 tokens and the ETH chain, you know Uniswap because that's the top one. The Sunswap is the top platform for TRON, and that's why they're pushing it so hard, which gives it a lot of room to grow. So here they give the exact numbers for this mining duration. So I'm not going to go through them specifically, but they list out the full details, which is great because it's very transparent. They list out just the governance mining part here. So they're just giving out the exact details of how much you can earn on these specific liquidity pools in either the Genesis mining or the governance mining. They talk about the Sun staking here. So this is one I'm actually more interested in because I like doing stuff without impermanent loss, and the Sun staking doesn't have an impermanent loss, I believe. And so you can actually stake your Sun, can be withdrawn at any time, and you reward in TUSD, which is great. But you also get Sun token as well. I was looking at it before. Oh, the locked Sun. This is what I'm talking about. So if you lock your Sun, then you can actually get TUSD plus Sun, and the Sun is like 37% APY, which is massive. So that's great. It lasts 6 months to 4 years. All locked Sun will be unlocked at the same time, and the maximum locking period is 4 years. The user can choose a time between 26 weeks to 4 years from the day. So it is a long time, right? So at minimum, you have to keep your Sun locked for 6 months. But if you believe in the product, then you would just keep it in because you believe it's going to keep going up and not crash. And so they put a little bit out here about the voting rights and how you can use Sun for the governance part. They talk about the Genesis mining here, and they put some notes at the bottom here. So lots and lots of details. I'm going to put this link in the description because you might be interested in which pools and which rates. And so you can find all the details of those here. And so let's take a look at this tweet as well, because I'm always a fan of staking without any loss, and this is a great rate for stacking. And this is the one I was referencing, 39% APY. That is massive, guys. Sun stake and locking mining APY over 39%. Wow. And the 3 pool TVL just broke 400 million. Okay, so that's just huge. So personally, I'm very excited for these Sunswap rewards. I think it'll bring a lot of people into the Sunswap ecosystem, and the price of Sun coin itself will continue to go up as more people adopt it. If we look at the charts here in CoinMarketCap, it's actually been very stable, right? While a lot of alts have fallen big over the past 2 months. But I want to hear what you all think. Are you excited for this? Do you not want this? Let me know in the comments below. And so that's it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed the news and research. If you want more, subscribe to the channel to get alerted when breaking news comes out, and I will see you all in the next episode.